Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to add disappearing text in TikTok. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the bottom toolbar and click on that plus sign. That will open up your camera roll where you can either shoot a video with the camera or upload one from your phone. I'm going to click upload down at the bottom right hand corner. And I'm going to choose this video right here at random, and then I'm going to click next. After it's done loading up your video, you can actually adjust the entire duration of the video by sliding these red sliders back and forth to trim the edges of your video. When you're happy with your changes, click next in the top right hand corner. It'll load up your video, and then you go down to the bottom of the screen and click on the text icon. Type your text. You can choose a different font. You can choose a different color. You can adjust the alignment. And you can add a highlight by clicking on the A in the top left-hand corner. When you're all set with your changes, click Done in the top right-hand corner. If you'd like to make this text disappear, tap on it and then click Set Duration. That will bring up the Set Duration bar for your selected sticker. Much in the same way that you can adjust the entire duration of your video, you just slide these red slider bars back and forth to make your text disappear and appear when you would like it. When you're all set with your changes, click on the check mark in the bottom right hand corner. There's the text, it disappeared. You can actually make it go for a little bit longer if you like. When you're all set with your changes, click next in the bottom right hand corner. And it will bring you to your pre-post page where of course you can just post like normal. I hope this video helped you on how to add disappearing text in TikTok. If it did, hit that thumbs up button for me and watch this video right here to learn another cool trick with TikTok.